Storm is back. So I have to show you where I live, like local life. See? It's nice. There's a animal footprint here. Probably last night. Look at that. Yeah, this one is huge. See? Footprint. Far apart. Oh my God. I wish gonna answer. See this. This is all a small machine there buried with the snow. And stop here. So the animal is coming from here. Should have the my workshop. Holy smoke. It's too deep in here now. Cool. This will fix it next year properly. Including the rotten shed here. It's open. Yeah. Look at this animal footprint here. There you go. Now you see me how look like my place during winter time. Look at this tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of them is gonna go this year. That's all I have. Hey, Brandon tree, you're dying now. Hopefully you will survive. Those one, the small one.